you all right?
We're up against a strong Taijutsu user.
Well, I'm here now, so just rest easy.
Aren't you going to eat?
Oh, it is only that.
The one who's known as the ultimate Taijutsu user?
He fought for the leaf in the Third Great Ninja War and died a hero. Great Leaf Hurricane!
Gus!
No!
It's Guy! He's losing ground!
Here it comes. You're going to have to dodge this.
Is that legendary
I guess that I really am famous, aren't I?
It is an honor to see you again.
Huh?
If you are the real Master Chen, then I have a request. It is important that one never gives up on their dreams.
What is this? What's going on here?
You guys, take a look. I just stumbled upon it in the library.
Let us go find this Master Chen and ask him to teach it to us.
Wait, we can't. This scroll says that he was a
I
hero.
wanted to master this while Guy Sensei was away and show him how much stronger I had become.
Bushy brows.
Naruto, let us pay our respects at the hero's grave. It will inspire us to train hard. She is the granddaughter of the deceased master.
Huh? Hey, do you know how to do the Leaf Dragon God?
Yum, these things are my favorite. I'm not sharing with you three.
No, you will not eat them.
Leaf Dragon God!
Incredible. He was actually still alive.
And so, I believed I had a chance to learn the secret technique. Teach me the Leaf Dragon God.
You're doing your best despite your shortcoming, then. You are far too weak. Forget about being a shinobi.
That is...
It's absurd for a kid to risk his life to become a shinobi when he doesn't have the skills.
How did you know that?
Thank you so much. But I must ask, please let me handle this on my own.
So here, take this along with you.
You told me that I am not qualified to be a shinobi. I am sorry, but I cannot accept that. Use your Leaf Dragon God against me!
Now I will make you see just how unqualified you are to be a shinobi.
No, please, just one more time. The Dragon's Eye and the tornado.
You're exactly like him. In any case, forget about being a shinobi.
I made a promise to Guy Sensei. And you are trying to reject it. And after that, I never once laid eyes on him again.
And when you told Lee to give up on being a shinobi, you weren't really wrong. I have to admit that. That's the lesson you're about to learn. Just you watch. Now, you ready to show him, Lee?
Yes, sir!
You will learn. Leaf Dragon God! What's the matter? Have you given up already?
I've told you before that I will never give up! The Dragon's Eye is the eye of the tornado! That is its weakness!
What? But how? But my Leaf Dragon God technique.
But luckily, Guy Sensei said something to me then.
Listen, Lee, you know the two of us really have quite a lot in common. Without our ninja way to guide us, you and I would never survive. Ever since the day I met you, my whole nindo has been to make you the most splendid ninja possible.
I see. Well, good then. And just like you, he was completely unable to use ninjutsu. The Third Great Ninja War broke out,
and my sole pupil was sent off to fight on the battlefield and not qualified to be a master. I was unable to forgive myself, so I abandoned my shinobi life. However, I'm confident that the two of you will do just fine.
Put him over there, on the table.
Okay, will do. Let's grab the next one.
Right.
It's snowing! What's happening? Ah!
Fang over Fang! How weird. Do you know who it is?
Shikamaru!
I'm sorry, you know. Enough, Shadow Strangle Jutsu! How can he still use Jutsu while he's captured?
This is bad! It's me! Hold on. How does this kid know all of our names?
Yeah, I've never even seen him before. Yota!
I think that they're somewhere around here. Oh, if I lose them, my mom's gonna be really upset.
Listen, okay?
What?
Rain?
Huh? That's weird. It's sunny out. What's with the freaky weather? Huh?
Oh, but how did he get up there?
Let's go help him.
Yeah!
So we can't climb up to him as easily as our dads would have.
Yeah, but still, I gotta get my kunai back!
Johnny, wait! Rain!
It stopped. Weather for sale. Your name is Yota, isn't it?
Yes, Yota.
Yota, you know you're a reanimation, right? Well, Yota can control the weather. You're not actually from the Hidden Leaf Village, are you?
No, I am different. So where did you come from? I wonder if he's lonely or something.
Yeah, it sure seems like that's the case. Yeah, if someone like Yota showed up in the village, people would ask a lot of questions.
You're a fatty fatso.
No, you're wrong! I'm gonna...
We don't have any more.
You're asking a lot.
But I'm starving. And my tum-tum's growling.
Rain while it's sunny again? Wait, hold on. Yota was crying earlier, too. It started raining again because Yota's crying.
Huh?
I guess I went too far.
What's going on here? Why are you guys crying? There's no
Please, Yota.
Yota, stop. Yota! Don't you understand? Yota isn't in control of himself.
Yota, what?
Go! It's snowing! Cone!
Yota.
It's snowing! Cone!
You're sure having fun.
Cone!
Hey, Yota!